Students, this is a short video that will demonstrate the Tangari Prakash trauma system in a number of hand injuries. The first rubber model demo of a realistic hand is a thumb metacarpal fracture with a two-wire montage. You can see the anterior-posterior and lateral view of the fracture of the base of thumb, which would otherwise have been fixed with either K-wire or screws. We plan a dual wire intramedullary montage after accurate reduction, and this clamps are diverged, made parallel and fixed with a single Tangari Prakash clamp to allow immediate mobilization and full function. First, the fracture is reduced, then the first wire is introduced intramedullary, going right up to the head of the thumb metacarpal. The second convergent intramedullary wire is driven more or less parallel to the first wire, and this wire too stops short of the metacarpal head. Once the two are fixed, we now check the stability of the reduction under a C-arm. These two wires are now bent at right angles away from the body, and it's ensured that the wires remain parallel. Once we get the two wires in the correct position after appropriate bending, we just need to snap in the clamps and then tighten them. Essential to bend the wires at 90 degrees and ensure their convergence. We need only a single shim clamp in this, so we remove the extra washer. Here, because it is hand, we are using 1.5 millimeter wires and also using 1.5 millimeter Tangari clamps. To do a special design, the wire enters the clamp sideways and snaps tightly. Once it is snapped in position, the clamp has to be tightened with a T-handle on the top and also a ratchet spanner on the bottom for tightening the wire in the clamp. The protruding wire bits are now cut, and the patient can be allowed hand and wrist movements from day one. I am now showing the clinical picture in a rubber hand and will subsequently show an X-ray of a patient who has been treated by this method. We can see how the wire has gone and intrinsically and dynamically reduced this fracture. The wires are entirely extra-articular and the clamps have a massive hold on the fracture, giving stability. The second example is a single clamp montage in a fracture shaft neck of fifth metacarpal. This is how the final picture will look, and this is a type of fracture in which This montage will find great use. As with all fractures, first the fracture is reduced under C-arm. The procedure can be done under local anesthesia or regional blocks. We will pass 2 wires into the medulla in a convergent divergent fashion and clamp them with a single clamp after bending the wires as they emerge outside the skin after the bone fixation. On a C-arm, we can evaluate and assess the stability of the reduction and clamp it firmly. The 2 wires again are passed on the lowermost edge of the 5th metacarpal base while remaining extra-articular. The wires should be pushed right up to the head of the metatarsal without penetrating the metatarsophalangeal joint. The divergent wires are now bent parallel to the skin using the wire bender, and once again a single shim clamp is taken. It is just kept in between the 2 wires, and all you need to do is push the wires together and they will snap in the clamp. The distance between the clamp and the skin is modified by moving the clamp up or down, and then the clamp is tightened fully to produce a montage for the 5th metacarpal shaft. And here you can see the final clinical picture in a hand, and this should be the picture radiologically after the fracture is reduced and stabilized with the TPSS system. TPSS is a spectacular system combining the pleasures of intra and extramedullary fixation using special clamps in which the wires snap in. If you want to do a course on TPSS system or purchase our instruments, please send me a WhatsApp message which is given along with this video. Thank you for your kind attention. Thank you.